What did you think of your first Glitza experience?
I really enjoyed it. It exceeded all of my expectations.
So, was it what you expected?
It was... I didn't know what I was expecting. So my experience was open to interpretation, but now that I've been here, I did really enjoy it.
How did you choose your favorite designs out of all of those?
I chose the animals because I really like animals. Made a little collage of a few of them, and I put a sticker on the back of my phone to represent my coffee habits.
Did you enjoy the process of applying Glitza and not just the end result?
I did. It was difficult at first, but I got the hang of it towards the end.
Could you think of other places in your everyday life where you could use Glitza besides where you got to use it tonight?
As presents to my friends, maybe putting it on bottles, like aftershave bottles, giving it to my younger relatives. It'd be really enjoyable for them to play with it because it's quite easy to use, and yeah.
Do you think your friends, peers, and other people your age would enjoy using Glitza?
I think they would. I think if they gave it a shot, they would really like using it, and I think the user base would expand quite greatly.
Is there anyone in your life you would give Glitza to as a gift?
Yeah, I think Glitza's quite diverse in terms of what you can use it for, so I think you can pretty much give it to anyone in your life.
Are there any events that you would want to have Glitza for?
I think it'd be quite good for birthday parties, get-togethers, or general networking events.
Any other comments you want to give us at Glitza?
Fab time! Ding ding ding!
Thanks.